Have you ever had that moment when you realized your job could vanish overnight? One company restructure, one round of cuts, one change in direction, and suddenly you're out. If that thought has been keeping you up at night or lingering in the back of your mind, you're not alone. So many smart, hard-working women are coming to the realization that the promise that they once had about job security, it has holes and it's gone. But here's the truth that no one's really talking about enough is that you don't have to wait until there is a crisis to start building something of your own. You can start now while you still have a job, you still have a paycheck, and you still have a choice. My name is Catherine Allen. I help women who feel stuck or unfulfilled find purpose by and freedom by building a profitable online business without giving up the security of your job until you're ready. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best time to start an online business is now, while you do have a job. Because the world is changing, you want to get ahead of that change. And an online business is one of the ways that you can do that. Let's just have a reality check. The job market is shifting. Job security isn't what it used to be. Even the roles that or industries that you thought were safe are not safe anymore. Layoffs are happening across industries, and AI is replacing tasks faster than most realize. Many women are being pushed to pivot because of the changes that are happening, and you can choose to do so on your terms. AI isn't the enemy, but it is a wake-up call because AI is changing how business is done. And the question isn't if you're going to be affected, your role is going to be affected by AI, but when. But now is the time to empower yourself, and you can use AI to help you build faster and smarter, especially if you're the one that's running the business. The new wealth path isn't climbing the ladder, it's building your own. Instead of following the rules that have been in place, to work hard and to wait on your turn, you can have terms that you create. You create your own opportunity by leveraging your skills, your story, and your expertise. And you can do this in digital marketing. Digital marketing is leveraging the internet and digital technology. And to do that, you need a foundation to really understand what digital marketing is and the business of online business. And that is what I do in my programs. I help women really get the foundation of digital marketing, because the reality is digital marketing is an in-demand skill and one that is going to be in demand in the future. It is a skill that allows women like you to take your skill set and create something around your own terms. And just like the job that you have, one of three things happen. You either had formal training for it, or you were a mentee to someone who was mentoring you in that particular skill set, or you had written instructions. Digital marketing, learning the skill of digital marketing is no different. You want to learn the skill for the foundation that you can build upon. And in order to do that, it's important to know the direction that you're going. The beauty of digital marketing is that there's so many different avenues to it. You could actually create a product of your own, or you could use the product that someone else has created when they give you the master resale rights to do that. And that is the best way or easiest way for someone to get started, is to leverage what someone else has created and resell that product. The course that I would like to introduce to you is one that you will learn the skill of digital marketing, and with the master resale rights, you can turn around and make that your first product. Now, if you are someone that perhaps you love the skill that you already have. Maybe you've gotten that skill or you use that skill in corporate. You may have been in HR, IT, marketing, accounting, finance, or whatever area that you're in, and you really love that. And you know that you can help others with that skill set, because there are entrepreneurs and small business owners who do not have that skill set in-house. So they need someone with your expertise to provide that as a service to them. So you could package up your skill set and offer it to these small business owners and entrepreneurs, and you can do that online. Especially since COVID, it is not uncommon to help someone in their business without being face to face. So with that, you can market your expertise and offer it to them. But the thing is, like with your job, you are providing that to one employer. When you have your own service business, your online service business, you offer that skill set to multiple businesses or entrepreneurs, and they pay you to bring that skill set to their business. So just to recap, when you think about digital marketing, in either case, you want to learn the foundation of digital marketing and the business of digital marketing. And if you're like me, I have heard of digital marketing. I knew it was a way to give me more time and freedom, but I really didn't understand it. I finally got it when I learned the skill of digital marketing through the course that I'm going to tell you about. I learned all about automation, all about email sequence, the campaigns, the funnels, and all of those things. I didn't know that before I actually took the time to learn the skill. And as I mentioned, the skill that you have and that you use, it took some time to learn it. So digital marketing is no different. You want to get the skill and the foundation. But once you get that foundation, you have a choice. You can actually resell a product, or you can create a service business with your skill set. And the other thing with digital marketing, you have life experience. Perhaps you are someone who overcame a big challenge, and it is a challenge that a segment of the population struggles with as well. It could be weight loss. You have lost weight, you have found a way to lose it and keep it off. So you could offer your strategy for doing that to a large segment of people who's always looking to lose weight. Maybe you have been in a relationship, you're coming out of a divorce, and it was hard to regain your life, and you have been successful with that. There are individuals who are struggling, having to reset their new life. So you could offer relationship coaching to them. The same would be with the weight loss coaching, or maybe it's productivity. You are good with that. Or it could be executive leadership. You have been a leader, or you are a leader in the corporate world. There are so many people that is their goal. Your skill set, your expertise, other individuals need that. So they are willing to pay you so that you can help them build that skill of leadership. These are all opportunities in the digital world to resell a product, to provide a service offering, or to provide coaching from your life experience. But it all begins with learning the skill of digital marketing. And that is why I want to share with you a course in Digital Profits You that will teach you digital marketing, and it can be the first product that you use in your digital marketing business, because it comes with the ability to resell it and to make 100% of the profit. Yes, that's what I said. You have the ability to learn the course and turn around and let it become your first digital marketing course. And when you sell it, you keep 100% of the profit. Not only will you keep 100% of the profit when you sell the course to someone else, you will have the opportunity to bring your questions, to be mentored by a leader who have been in the online space for many years. You can bring your questions. You will gain nuggets when you come to office hours, which is once a week. This comes with your purchase of the course. Not only will you be able to come to the office hours once a week, you will be, if you choose to, be a part of the community. When you come to the office hours, you will be a part of other individuals who are also coming with their questions. And whether you have a question or not, just by showing up, you will learn something. The mentor will drop nuggets. You will learn a strategy that can work for you. That is amazing. You get all of that when you invest in the course for yourself. Now, if you are someone that you want to be a service provider, you want to offer your skill set to small business owners and entrepreneurs, I would love to work with you one-on-one. Now, if you want to bring your expertise and skill set and for an entrepreneur or small business owner, I have a program where we would work one-on-one. It's called Corporate Breakout Accelerator Program. It is an amazing program that will help you to set up your digital online business as a service provider. And the same is true. We could work one-on-one if you want to bring your life experience as a coach. Both of those are available to you. I have the links in the description below, and do check it out. As I stated, the corporate world, the whole work environment is changing. Whether you're in corporate, education, government, wherever you are, things are changing, and you want to get ahead of the curve to be in control of your life. So do check the programs out below. And I hope that you would give serious consideration to learning this skill, learning it on your terms to create the life that you want and deserve. I invite you back to my channel, and I do thank you for coming by to watch this video. And I will be posting, dropping other videos around digital marketing and around just creating the right mindset for the future that you want. I thank you for coming by, and I hope to see you on the next video.